Well, hello my young wizards! We continue with our series of exciting experiments that look more like magic, or actually is magic. We all know perfectly, well, that ice easily melts in water and it mixes with it, and yeah, it will look just like this, and the ice will slowly melt and just will be one thing with water because, well, we know ice is just frozen water. But what will happen if we melt ice, for example, in sunflower oil? If so, what happens to the melted water? If not, then how long will it take for the ice to melt? There's too many questions to which we will find the answer right now. This experiment is very beautiful and fascinating. Just follow along. Well, for this fascinating experiment, first we just made some ice cubes. We made it colorful and for fun. And here are our colored ice cubes. We made, well, for this we used green to show you how it melts in water, but we have red and purple. Now we poured sunflower oil into glasses. We will throw now a few ice cubes there. This is where the fun part begins. I'll throw one red and one purple.
Wow!
The ice will slowly melt. Colored droplets will appear gradually, settling to the bottom. When a piece of ice melts in water, this is not visible. Well, as you can see, the water mixes with water, what you can call. I mean, ice is water, all we know in this theory. But oil is a little bit different because a drop of water does not mix with oil since these liquids have different numbers of molecules. Well, in other words, different densities, which we found out in other of our videos. Note that ice cubes float, like in this one, on the surface. And you know why? Because they have air inside. It serves as kind of a life jacket because it's less dense than oil. Now check this out. This one is still floating, but you can see droplets going down, dripping off our ice cube purple. Boop. Just one goes down. And then we can wait for another one just to... Oh, come on. And it goes down. So this is beautiful, it's colorful, it's fascinating. Well, it can take up to a few minutes to melt all the ice, yet it's so fun and colorful. And this one just melts on the bottom. Different densities, had less air, so it just sank down. Well, here's one new cool experiment that you can add to your knowledge box or magic box, which can be easily and simply repeated at home. We have even more extraordinary experiments on our channel. By the way, write in the comments what experiments you would like to see. We will definitely show and explain. So, until next time, my young wizards.